still quite cold here in Australia, even as we're entering spring, so I like to put on our gas heater in the morning to warm up the house. And I like to say good morning to the chickens and breathe in the lovely crisp spring air. Now it's time to make a cuppa. I'm using this beautiful antique kettle that I thrifted, which I am over the moon about. While the kettle comes to the boil, I pick up my outfit for the day and put on some light makeup. Since I'm doing housework for today, I thought I would choose something a bit more practical with jeans and a cardigan. This morning's breakfast is going to be simple, with toast, fruit and tea. Something my mum, nan and great-grandma would say for brewing tea is one for you and one for the pot, to create the perfect strength tea. After we had breakfast, I cleaned up our dishes and admired the beautiful sunny day outside. After letting the bed air out for a couple of hours, I make it and then move on to brushing out my curls and finishing off my makeup. Since today is such a beautiful sunny day, I thought I would put on some washing. And look at this beautiful embroidered tablecloth that I found at the op shop. I am absolutely in love with it. At the same op shop, I found the sweetest tissue cover with beaded lavender on it. And now it's time to feed the girls their breakfast. This is what I was getting so excited about. Oh my gosh. This is a miracle. I put in a little privacy curtain here so the chickens would feel safe laying their eggs, because we've had crows coming in and taking their eggs. So this is amazing. I'm so happy. Yay girls, thank you for the eggs. The plan for today is I want to do a lot of cleaning. I want to clean the bathroom, clean the whole house, and in particular make my sister's room really lovely, because her and her baby Colby are coming in a week, so I want to make that just absolutely special for her. I've gone to the op shop and bought a couple of cute things so I can make her room really special. Without me dawdling around for too long, let's get into it. Later in the video, I'll be using these lovely products from Blueland. When they reached out to sponsor this video, I was incredibly excited because they're doing something different with their products that I think is just great. I got the Clean Essentials kit, which comes with a glass, bathroom and multi-surface cleaner, and a foaming hand soap. Rather than being a single-use bottle, each bottle comes with a tablet that you combine with water and voila, you're ready to go. Their products are EPA Safer Choice certified, don't use harmful ingredients, and help you cut down on waste by refilling rather than replacing. Not only is the refilling process fun, but it's great value, starting at $1.55 per tablet if you buy in bulk. All of their bottles have a premium feel, especially the foaming hand soap, which is my favourite. The hand soap tablet I received is the Iris Agave scent, and it smells divine. Their products are super quick and easy to refill with 3 simple steps. Firstly, fill your Forever bottle with warm to hot water. Then drop one of the tablets into the water bottle, making sure to put the nozzle on after the tablet fully dissolves. No shaking or stirring is needed. Finally, use it within minutes. All you have to do is click my link below to get 15% off your first kit. Blueland is sharing a special offer just for my viewers, so go grab your kit before they sell out. Thanks, Blueland! So this is going to be the room where she's staying. It's pretty plain at the moment, and I'm going to go ahead and change the doona and everything. And we've just been storing the lights in here, which we've been bringing out each week for Dining Through the Decades. But now that Dining Through the Decades is finished, I can remove them, and we're going to make this room lovely and spacious, get the stuff off the floor, and make it pretty. Also, I just want to take a moment to appreciate how organized the linen cupboard is. Trust me, it didn't look as nice as this before. Stuff was everywhere and you could never find what you were looking for. Do you think I am making the bed? Of course I have to make the bed with hospital corners. I'm a nurse. I thrifted this vibrant floral and plaid doona cover because I wanted to liven up the room with a burst of colour. Because why use plain old white when I can use colour? Time to hang out the washing to make the most of this perfect drying weather. Now with the washing drying out in the sun, back to April's room. James and I have been picking up stuff from Facebook Marketplace, so April and Colby are all sorted by the time they arrive here. We picked up this co-sleeper, which was in great condition, and I attached to the side of April's bed. My sister also bought a bunch of baby clothes which she got sent to our house, so I'm putting them in the drawer so they're all ready for when they get here. A lovely subscriber sent me a little parcel full of beautiful vintage pieces, and she included these gorgeous embroidered doilies, which I'm in love with. Thank you, Camille! I bought this beautiful picture from the op shop a few weeks ago, because I knew it would be the perfect picture to put in my sister's room. Also, I don't know why, but apparently I think it's funny to have a picture of naked baby James and Colby in April's room. Now with all of the finishing touches complete, this is the final result. After a fun morning of decorating, it was time for lunch. I had our leftover homemade fried rice. James was out for the day, so no need to make a fancy big meal. The room was almost complete, but I couldn't forget about Colby's little bed. And now that the bedroom was finished, the house was in desperate need of a vacuum. About to start vacuuming in the bathroom, and April sent me some photos of Colby. I have to show you, he's so cute. He's such a cutie pie. I love him so much and I can't wait to see him. He's so pudgy now, he's got so many fat rolls, he's like the little Michelin man. So I'm so excited to see him. Also, if you remember, I've shared on my Instagram and on my YouTube community page, I'm going to be doing the bathroom up. And I'm so excited to get it done, but I still have assignments and exams left. So once that's all over, I am going to get into the bathroom and make this absolutely beautiful. I'm awful at decision making, so I will need your help. And I'll probably create some more polls with the bathroom because choices, too hard, too difficult. I need help. I cleaned the shower, sink and mirror as they were all very much overdue for a clean. With the house being thoroughly cleaned, I took out the rubbish in recycling as it was bin night. The towels were also nice and dry, so I folded them up whilst listening to the chirping birds flying in the trees. And one of my favourite things to do every day is to water the plants. I love my little garden and I dream of having a big, beautiful cottage garden one day. After the sun sets and the chickens put themselves to bed, it's time to prepare dinner. I used up the last of our homegrown new potatoes with fresh herbs from the garden. Fresh eggs in a simple yet delicious omelette, accompanied with herby potatoes and steamed cauliflower. topped with the one and only Bisto gravy. And oh my goodness, this was so tasty. I washed up after dinner and then headed off to the bathroom to have my shower and get all cozy for a comfy night in. I have really enjoyed using witch hazel as a toner before I moisturise at night. It is very refreshing, and this brand has been around since 1847. I have also been using another vintage skincare brand, Elizabeth Arden, which has been around since 1910 and is the same brand that Marilyn Monroe used. I made myself a hot chocolate and decided to watch a movie for the rest of the night to wind down from the day. After watching Atonement, I headed off to bed for a much needed sleep. Good night. Idiot. Babe! Babe! James, the egg thing worked. They've laid in their spot between the curtains. How good is that?